काफ़ी दिन लग गए दोस्तों नेक्स्ट वीडियो आने में, लेकिन आज एक ज़बरदस्त गैजेट लेके आया हूँ। नए साल आने वाले हैं एंड दोज ऑफ यू लुकिंग फॉर अ कॉम्पैक्ट एंड वेरी बजट Bluetooth speaker for your New Year parties. Today we will unbox and do the review of Syska 4070X. See the box content in the Syska BT4070X Bluetooth speaker. This one is the speaker. This one is the charger actually. The charging cord, USB charging cord, and you will get as well a manual and warranty card as well. Now the battery life on the Syska BT4070X is below average, I will say, and it comes with 750 mAh battery. It falls slightly short of some competitors in the same price range like those from Mivi. Now the connectivity of this BT4070X offers reliable wireless connectivity and comes with Bluetooth 5.0 version. Pairing is very quick and hassle-free, and the Bluetooth range is very commendable. Additionally, the inclusion of aux and micro USB port provides versatile connectivity options as well. Now, see the sound quality of this speaker. It is in maximum sound volume, and this is in 70% sound volume. Now the sound quality part. With 4 watt output, the sound quality is average. I expected at least 5 watt output as is usually available at this price range. At low volume, the speaker delivers a well balanced audio experience and a surprisingly robust bass for its size. However, there is distortion whenever you crank up the volume to above 70 to 80%. The speaker also comes with some useful extra features such as a built-in microphone for hands-free calling and playback controls. Now let's come to the conclusion. Should you buy this speaker from Syska at rupees 1000? The compact and lightweight design of the Syska BT4070X makes it a convenient companion for on-the-go listening. However, it has a poor mic quality, no IP rating for water or dust proof, and uses a USB port for charging, while it may excel in every aspect. Thank you guys, take care before we meet you in our next video. This is not at all a sponsored video, so please subscribe and press the bell icon.